Right, on to another pack. Nath? Nath? Where is he? Oh, I'm not going to have to do this myself, am I? Good. This isn't working. Hang on, let's give him a phone call. Sorry about this, boys and girls.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello.
We're supposed to be doing a pack opening. I've got a 4 Rebel Clash ready to open. Where are you? I'm having right difficulty here.
Ah, it's not as easy as you think, is it? Now stop walking around.
Can you give us an hand?
Don't worry, I'll sort it.
Cheers, mate. See you later for alligator.
Tra. Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to Master Ball United Kingdom. Muuuk. Today, I'm working away, so you've got your man, Totofan Dan, is going to be doing some Rebel Clash with you guys. So, without further ado, let's pass it on to him.
So guys, I'm in the boss's chair and we've got some Rebel Clash to open. So let's get on to it. We've got a Toxtricity, an Inteleon, Cinderace and a Rillaboom pack. Say boom boom boom, say way-oh.
Say way-oh!
So we're going to start with the Toxtricity. These cards are courtesy of a good friend of mine, Elliot from Total Catch Gaming. I'll leave a link to his Instagram page in the description below. Also, if you follow me on Instagram, I'm at Totofan Dan. Keep up with things going on with the channel. Right, let's get into it. And we've got a green card. Not the best start. Code card for the boys and girls. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. What do we got? Guess the energy, Nath?
I'm guessing water. Am I right?
It's water. Well done. We got a Scoop Up Net, Chatot, Charjabug, Galarian Corsola, a Toxel, Galarian Mr. Mime, Snover, Pidove. The reverse is a Galarian Darumaka, and the rare is a Scizor. Not so good on that one. But we're going in with Inteleon. Let's see if he brings us some luck. Straight in with a white code. We've got a white code, boys and girls. Here we go. Code card. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. What do we got? Guess the energy, Nath?
I'm guessing psychic.
No good, mate. Sorry. We got a Xatu, Lombre, Galamine, Shinx, Galarian Yamask, Applin, Hatina, Arrokuda, Reverse Heatmore, and the rare is a Flapple. Not too bad. But in with some fire now, Cinderace. Let's see what we get. I'm having my usual technical difficulties here. Let's see if we can open it the other end. If you've watched the previous videos, you know I struggle opening the cards. It's one of them. Everyone's good at something. Clearly I'm not good at that. But I am good at pulling white codes, as you've seen before. So here we go again. White code for the boys and girls. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. What have we got? Guess the energy again, Nath?
I'm guessing fire. Doo-doo.
No good. Medicham, Morgrem, Palpitoad, Dreepy, Galarian Farfetch'd, Honedge, Timpole, Vullaby, Mandibuzz is the reverse, and the rare is a Malamar V. Decent pull. And on to the last pack. It's our boy, it's Rillaboom. Say boom boom boom, say wayo.
Say wayo!
Right, let's get into it. Are we going to have any difficulties? Probably, knowing me. Knowing me, knowing you. Come on. There we go. Rillaboom being a bit pesky there, but we've got him. And we've got another white code. See, I told you, I'm good at some things. There we go. Code card for the boys and girls. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. What have we got? Last time, guess the energy, Nath.
Steel.
No good again, mate. Sorry. Lightning. Indeedee. Skylar. Electrode. Helioptile. Voltorb. Sandygast. Vulpix. Coughing. Reverse Curse Shovel. And the rare is Stonejourner. So, that's all the packs for today, boys and girls. Be sure to check out the rest of our videos. Also, follow my Instagram at Totofan Dan. Follow Nath's Instagram at m.u.k.tube. And until next time, see you later for alligators.
Hi guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and